Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Instantly account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you warm up one of your email addresses in Instantly? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to warm up an email address in Instantly anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're doing marketing by sending out cold emails in mass, you know that your emails deliverability can go down if it's not warmed up correctly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Instantly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Instantly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to warm up one of your email addresses, you're going to click here on the left side. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show all the email addresses you have inside Instantly. You can see I just have this one right here, and you can see there's no warm-ups. There haven't been any messages sent out of this email, so it does need to be warmed up. And to make it pretty simple, all you're going to do is just click on this. Okay, once you do that, they let you know what's going to happen. So basically, Instantly is going to start sending out random email to other users that are using Instantly to kind of ping back and forth. They do let you know if the account seems strange for some reason. They're going to go ahead and stop the warm-up. If you're okay with that, click here, yes, I understand, and then click on continue. Okay, now you're going to see this pop up, so warm-up is enabled. Now, the cool thing about Instantly is you can buy emails and accounts that are already warmed up. So if you're looking to do mass cold email outreach right now, you can go ahead and buy those by clicking here, add new. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options, and buy pre-warmed accounts right here. Click on this blue continue button. Okay, and then here you can see all of the different URLs that are already warmed up. So you can maybe try to choose one that looks like it might be related to your industry. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to warm up your email accounts inside of Instantly, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.